Labuan Bajo grows as a model for sustainable tourism, welcoming the world with 29 flights on 8 routes, connecting to 8 cities across 3 countries. Parapuar, the gateway to the natural beauty of Labuan Bajo Flores, new tourism destination that embraces harmony with nature, combining ethno, eco, edu, culture, and natural conservation. Parapuar is being developed in an integrated and sustainable manners, with 19 cluster over natural and cultural attractions, as well as activities like trekking, glamping, agrotourism, and stargazing. This destination is designed to be a cultural landmark for Labuan Bajo and Flores. Basic infrastructure including 1.5 km of main route. Electricity and water detail engineering design has been developed to support the area's room. This is the first step in attracting investment, embracing the philosophical spirit of Bendang One Linkopea. Parapuar is becoming part of destination that prioritize ecological, cultural, and social balance, while seizing the growing tourism potential of Labuan Bajo.